Thank you for tuning in today. This is Corey Randl with the State Bank of Cross Plains, sales manager for the mortgage division. When you're buying a home, which is one of the most important decisions in your life, insurance is also brought up on a number of occasions, and I think it's a great topic to bring up. So that's why I brought in Paul Stokes with American Family Insurance with the Steve Awney Agency in Madison. And what I want to ask you, Paul, is what should people be thinking about when they are shopping for insurance?
Yeah, well, first I'd say, only shop if you need to. A lot of people have someone that's been taking good care of them. They trust them. They know them. I call it know, like, and trust. And they're answering their phone. They're answering questions. They're really getting taken good care of. So I would say if that's the case, don't shop even if your rates have gone up a little bit.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
Know, like, and trust. And being with a local agent too, I think, is key. And Paul may get into that, but what are the two pitfalls or things that customers should be thinking about if they do shop?
Yeah, so if you do shop, I'll preface by saying when you choose who to shop with, I would recommend, ask for referrals. Ask your lender, your mortgage lender, who would they consider? Ask your realtor, who would you consider? Maybe ask your friends, your close friends or your Facebook friends. Put that out there.
I like that.
And so then at least you're starting with someone that's getting recommended from someone, you clearly trust already because you're doing your loan with them or you're letting them find a home for you. So that's step one, is get a referral to find who you want to shop with. And then once you go shopping, avoid apples to apples. Don't just go out and say, hey, give me your best price. Email me a quote. Take the time to let that professional walk you through the coverages, walk you through your options. What deductibles should I be considering and why? What optional coverages should I be considering, and why or why not take them? And that way you can make the choices on what are the right coverages for me. Let's get an orange and let's get an apple, and find how these people take you through the process of getting that quote. How thorough are they? If they just ask you a little bit of information and just spit out some quotes without having a conversation, to me that would be a red flag.
Right, and I don't think that would be providing real value for that customer that is shopping for insurance. So knowing that, American Family and Paul Stokes' team will be going through that, I think that's really key. What other major thing should customers be thinking about as well?
Yeah, so through that process of getting to know the agent as they take you through the process of coming up with the proper coverages, you'll get to know them a little bit. So then, number two, when something does happen, you need your insurance. Who are you calling? Are you calling that person that you spent time with, either face-to-face, hopefully ideally face-to-face, or at least on the phone, you got to know them? You're calling that same person when something goes wrong to ask for help. So most of the time they're not the claims department, but they can be the liaison between you and the claims department, and can handhold you through that claims process just like you handhold people through the mortgage process.
Right, and there's a lot of online, not only lenders, but online insurance companies, and they're not going to give you that attention to detail, the careness factor, to handhold you through that process. So, a lot of great things there, Paul. I like the passion that you bring, and with your clients, and today here as well. And, American Family, they're going to protect your dream. The State Bank at Cross Plains is going to help you through that whole mortgage process to make it very seamless and very easy. So thank you for tuning in. What we'd like you to do, Paul and I ask you, is to engage in this video here today. Ask questions, like our post today, and also just share this as well. So thank you for tuning in. Appreciate your time, Paul.
Thank you, Corey.
And have a wonderful day. Make it a great day.